Greetings everyone. In this video I'm providing a demonstration of the power window and power door lock installation in my 1973 Datsun 240Z. As you can see, there's some wiring coming out of the door to the far left there. That's for the power door lock actuator. I've installed the actuator, but I haven't had an opportunity to run the wires yet. As it turned out, the wiring included with the kit was too short. So unless I wanted the wiring strung from door to door with the module in the middle of the car with the wires running over my lap, there was no point in installing it at this point, but I wanted to see that it was operational. However, first of all, I'm going to demonstrate the operation of the power windows. This power window going down, and the power window going up. Installation is fairly straightforward. Here you can see the actuator itself. This actuator I purchased on eBay. It was actually a 4-window power window kit that I split the cost with a friend of mine, and as it turned out, the 4-window kit was actually cheaper when divided by 2 than the 2-window kit. So that made it very economical. I'm now going to demonstrate the operation of the power door locks.